California or what. I don't know if I crossed over or not. So let's start over. We're on our way to the Devil's Hole out here in Ash Meadows Wildlife and Management Area. We'll be turning soon. Where are the fish? Where are the fish? This better be good. Make us walk a quarter of a mile. How dare they, huh? How dare they? Just kidding. Beautiful though, look. Look at this. I don't know who that lives out there, but you're in this little, what do you call it, canyon? Somebody owns that land, or there's a mine up there, because there's a fence right there. Follow that little path, and there's a fence up there, and if you look up there, there's some mines or holes up there. Here's some more Death Valley. Very beautiful. Come on, Yuki. Now I know what it feels like to walk in that cage in Jurassic Park. Remember when those birds came? You got them? Yuki, come back here. Where are you? A delicate balance. Okay. Well, so far I see a impressive set of solar panels. A tsunami in the desert. Ooh, wow, go right over it. That's it. That's it. Hey, hello. Little echo down there. Hello? Hey! Hey! That's it. I'm kind of disappointed. They said it was some kind of wide chasm with water running through it. There's obviously water down there, but it's not running. It looks pretty stagnant to me. Yeah, remember in Jurassic Park? When they're walking in that cage and they're sitting there, he's thinking, what was this cage for and stuff. Let's get out of here. There you go. There's the coolest part of Devil's Hole. I'm just kidding. Then you gotta walk all the way back to the car, see? Who's complaining? What else we got to do, right? We got to go. Let's go to Zabriskie or somewhere. pretty cool. This little camera has some style. Action 4.